This morning, a major blow to President Trump's attempt to pick up more Republican seats in the House of Representatives. A new congressional map in Texas, which would likely flip 5 congressional seats from Democrat to Republican, has been blocked from being used in next year's elections. At the center of the case is whether the creation of the new map was driven by politics or race. The law allows maps to be drawn for partisan reasons, but not for racial reasons. And yesterday, a panel of 3 federal judges has sided with civil rights groups who challenged the map. Judge Jeffrey Brown, a Trump appointee, writing, quote, "Substantial evidence shows that Texas racially gerrymandered the 2025 map. That evidence includes a letter from the Department of Justice in Washington directing Texas to redraw its maps to eradicate 4 majority non-white districts." Judge Brown writing, quote, "The governor explicitly directed the legislature to draw a new U.S. House map to resolve DOJ's concerns. In other words, the governor explicitly directed the legislature to redistrict based on race."
These districts are going to show that Hispanics and blacks, as well as others, are voting for Republican, and Republican is their candidate of choice.
Governor Greg Abbott says he'll appeal to the Supreme Court, claiming the ruling undermines the authority the U.S. Constitution assigns to the Texas legislature. Earlier this month, Governor Gavin Newsom led a campaign to change California's congressional map to offset the expected losses in Texas. Newsom responding to the Texas ruling, saying Trump and Greg Abbott played with fire, got burned, and democracy won. And more recently, President Trump has tried unsuccessfully to get Indiana to redraw its map. Now, as for what could happen next, the Supreme Court could take up the Texas case as part of its emergency docket.